Welcome back to Morning Rush with meteorologist Chesley McNeil, Francesca Amaker, Crash Clark, and Sheba Russell.
Now back to our coverage of Pfizer's big COVID-19 vaccine announcement. It says it's more than 90% effective in preventing coronavirus. This is the first time a drug maker has showed successful data from a large-scale clinical trial. Pfizer plans to ask the FDA to grant emergency use of the vaccine next week when the 2-month safety window is up. And this will be for people from 16 to 85 years old. Pfizer is one of several drug makers working on a vaccine. Now people want to know if you'll need more than one dose of it. Evan Kosloff verifies.
The Verify team is weeding through misinformation to find you the facts about COVID-19. Scientists and researchers say a vaccine is close. And if you look on social media, you'll see posts like this, claiming you need 2 doses of the vaccine for it to be effective. So let's verify. Will we need 2 doses of a COVID-19 vaccine and why? Here are sources.
Getting 2 doses of a vaccine is not unheard of.
Infectious disease specialist Dr. Linda Nabha, the CDC, and epidemiology professor Dr. Christopher Byrer from Johns Hopkins University.
And it's based on the immune response, the immunogenicity.
Our experts say that term, immunogenicity, is a measurement of the vaccine's ability to generate an immune response. That measurement determines how many doses are needed.
For example, hepatitis B vaccine is a 3-dose vaccine because about 60% of people are protected with 1 dose, then you get up to about 85 with 2, and then you get up to about 96 or 98 with 3 doses.
And Dr. Nabha says that multiple doses help boost immunity.
You really don't get full protection unless you get that second vaccine, that second shot.
Meanwhile, the CDC directed our Verify researchers to this website. It states that all but one of the COVID-19 vaccines in phase 3 of trial require more than 1 dose. So we can verify that yes, it is very likely that the COVID-19 vaccine will require 2 doses.